Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to join the strongest battleground Discord server. If this helps you out, feel free to leave a like and subscribe. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, just open your browser and go on this website, Rollymall's Roblox trading website. Go on the search bar here, select games, and type your game name. The strongest battleground. Now, click on the game. Okay, click on play on Roblox. Scroll down and under social links you will see this icon, Discord icon. This is a Discord server. Just click on it, and as you can see, I've been invited to join this server. Just click on accept as and you will join this server. Now if you can't join this server through this direct link, just go on the browser again and copy this link. Go again on Discord, go on the left side and click on this plus icon and click on join a server. Paste the link over here and just click on join server. Confirm you are human. Wait a moment, and that's it. As you can see, I've successfully joined the strongest battleground server. That's it for the video. Thanks for